Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. So आज की क्लास में हम बनाने वाले हैं ये आर्टवर्क. फर्स्टली ये देखिए कितना इट्स टू अट्रैक्टिव एंड आई कैचिंग. So without wasting time, let's create it again. Firstly, I was making another artboard with the help of artboard tool. It's done. Firstly, now I'm just using rectangle tool with press shift E. Now just use your tab selection tool and select bottom corner and right top corner and just try it again. The shift. Now it will work and now it's done. Okay, let's use line segment for making a next one. Just use black color or as you want or as your choice. Now just layer line segment and use curvature tool to make it a little bit curve. Now just selecting both and go to pathfinder, press on three dots and just click on divide and your shape will be distributed into buds. Select your shape and right click, then ungroup. Now just go to edit gradient. You can change here also, like I'm just changing. Okay, change here and just select another part and use eyedropper tool and just click. And now I'm just going to edit gradient and three dots and here's reverse gradient. Just click on it. Now done. Just selecting both parts. Now just use a rotate tool. Keep pointer on the intercept or mid corner of the shape. Now this I'm using a tool 60-degree, or you can use rotation according to your requirement. Click on copy. Now just press Control D and Control. And here we are. It's done. So with help of these steps, you can make this complex shape easily. Use anywhere as you want. So that's it for the video. We will meet in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.